Hi there, welcome to the Best College Aid Guide, a 5-day challenge built within a course. This guide will take you through the process of overcoming the biggest doubts and fears associated with pursuing a college education. It will also help you understand how the college admissions and scholarship system works, and among many other things, it will help you find your true passion and show you how to use it to your advantage to stand out. All these steps and strategies will help you map out a personalized plan to help you get from where you are right now to where you want to be after high school and beyond. I am very excited to finally share this guide with you. A lot of students have asked me about this on social media, and I am happy to announce that the price point today is $0. That's correct, it is absolutely free to join. All you have to do is click on the button above or below this video. This will let you set a username and password so that you can get going with this guide. This challenge will last 5 days. There are 5 different modules and you will get a different module every day, each one with a lot of valuable information. Now, just to make sure that you're in the right place, if you're in middle school, high school, or the parent or guardian of a college-bound student, this guide is for you. I can't wait to share my knowledge with you. Thank you so much in advance for being here today. Don't forget to click on the button on this page, and with that being said, I will be seeing you very soon.